Hello guys, I'm the Chicago Rail... Wait, this isn't the animation style I was really going for. Just hold on. Not also the animation style I was going for. No, that's my human form. Now I'm just being drawn in whiteboard. Again, whiteboard. No. Cool, but nah. Thank you, Ashley, but no. This is my sprunky form. Thank you very much for this, Ashley. But nope. 9. No. Negatory. Niet. This is my werewolf self riding a CTA 7000 series train set. Nope. No. 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 Yeah. No. It's the same thing, but where's my hat? Where's my hat? Without my lucky rail fanning hat, I'm nothing. Anyway. No. Ouch. No. Oh, look at this. Very realistic, but no. No. Much better. Well, hi, I'm the Chicago Rail Kid, and what you're listening to is the sound of my voice, and I'm standing here in the middle of Chicago Union Station. Yeah, no questions asked. Anyways, see ya, and make sure to spot some trains nearby.